The Tempest TP650-175, TP760-190 and TP1020-250 petrol-driven pressure washers from SIP. This fantastic collection of powerful petrol-driven pressure washers are manufactured to the highest standards. These machines are perfect for use in large open spaces where no mains power is available. Maximum output pressure starts at 2,540 psi on the Tempest TP650-175 and goes up to a powerful 3,600 psi on the Tempest TP1020-250. Water flow rates start at 650 litres per hour on the Tempest TP650-175 and goes up to a mega 1,020 litres per hour on the Tempest TP1020-250. All three petrol-driven pressure washers come with many features and benefits, including a brass head pump and brass head fittings for longer life, a superb heavy-duty metal lance, a selection of nozzles including a detergent nozzle situated on a convenient frame-mounted holder. Each nozzle gives a different spray pattern, a space-saving folding frame for easier storage, and heavy-duty all-terrain tyres to cope with rough or uneven ground. SIP stock a range of jerry cans and spouts, perfect for use with their petrol engine pressure washers. Also available from SIP is a large range of professional petrol and diesel-powered pressure washers. With powerful Honda and Kohler engines, built and tested at SIP headquarters, our professional collection are suitable for a whole range of heavy-duty cleaning applications. The Tempest TP650-175, TP760-190 and TP1020-250 petrol-driven pressure washers from SIP. An excellent choice for farmers, contractors and a range of other applications.